back. Oh, hey guys, it's Gecko Man 500 with another gaming episode. Today we're gonna be gaming on... Oh, that sounds... Today we're gonna be gaming on Toca Nature. Let's start out with the first thing. Start out in the pond with some stupid beavers doing stupid things. This is boring. Why am I doing this? This is just sad. And the fish are disappearing because of thunderstorms. Big thunderstorms. Just kidding, I don't even know what's happening. I'm just gonna sit here and cry inside, that's all I'm gonna do. Still the worst video ever. But I'm still gonna post it because it sucks. Fine. Here we have a Big Daddy Fox waiting for his Big Daddy. This is a Big Daddy right here. He's waiting for a mate. He's getting all bonus mating season. So we gotta feed him, make him a bigger daddy. We're doing a nature documentary, mister. You can talk. If I can have one of my Altoids. You're welcome. Big Daddy Big Daddy Fox is looking for his big friend. There's another daddy. Fish. As we wander down into the forest, it's stupid. We notice there is berries. What are you doing? Hey, I found a mommy. Mommy, eat food. No. Mommy loves her food. Mommy wants to marry. This is just a sad game.
Dude, don't feed the wildlife.
I'm sorry. It's just how you have to go in this place. Look. It's wild. Two immature adults have encountered each other. What will they do next? I had to do that. For the album. In a search for food, they might fight to the death for their crackers. Oh no. They're eating each other. Look at how savage this is. This makes me dead inside. To hear that the sad little amazing game of death would do something like this to me. Why? Why Scott Kaufman? Just kidding. I have no idea. What are you doing?
Putting his pants back on.
Okay. The world is broken. Nobody is loved. There's Rubik's Cube sound effects in the back. But it's all okay. So we're just gonna have to say goodbye.